Hey everybody, this is Real Estate Investor Sav. You've seen me in most of the meetups in South Ontario preaching about Windsor and the positive cash flows that we're getting here. And in fact, in my last video, I showed you of how I am getting $1,000 plus cash flow in one of my properties, and the responses were overwhelming. Most of them coming back to saying like, "Oh no, that's a unicorn. There's no way you can get $1,000 plus cash flow anywhere in Ontario these days." But I wanted to show you my other property over here to say that and run the numbers with you to see that the cash flow is pretty damn good here in Windsor. So 810, 812 Silver is actually a legal duplex that we have. The top half is a two-bedroom that we rent out to a couple for 1,600, and then the bottom half is a one-bedroom um, that we rent out to a single lady for 1,300. Now, mind you, this was a turnkey project. Well, most of it was turnkey. It was pretty updated, so it's a good quality product that we purchased over there. So $375,000. Down payment was 20%, land transfer tax, legal fees, the usual yada yada. We did put 25,000 into it. We had to do a bit of updates when it came to furnace and other mechanicals, but that's fine. We are still cash flowing positive, so it's an investment for us, right? Our first mortgage amount was 300,000. We did good because this was in the fall of last year, so we got a good rate at 2.92%, which gives us a mortgage payment of 1,251. So when you start off with a good rent roll and you deduct your mortgage payment, you deduct your property taxes, you deduct your insurances and your maintenance. In this case, I put $75 a month. I know in the other property I put $100 a month. This one was pretty updated, and then we spent some money on updates again. So I can afford to reduce my maintenance costs a little bit per month. Once again, I do property management, do property manage this myself. So but typically 8 to 10% is the cost of doing that, as everybody knows. $232. Me per se, I try to keep a month of rent buffer for every 12-month period, which gives us that. We do have some furnace and maintenance, furnace and AC maintenance that we do with Reliance, and then we have a gardener taking care of the gardens and whatnot. So that's another $60 per month. But all said and done, I make $600 a month on this property, not including my own property management fee. So I can add another $232 for that. So we are talking about in excess of $800 per month in positive cash flow. Yes, it's not $1,000 per month, but it's 833. That's pretty damn good anywhere in the Golden Horseshoe versus Ontario. So I'll take that deal. Who else wants it? Give me a shout. DM me on my Instagram page or write a comment to this particular post, and we can take up a conversation. If you want a JV, I'm looking for JV partners. So we're trying to buy up Windsor, South Windsor specifically. There's a lot of good deals happening right now, and there's a lot of money to be made. So see you there.